Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hi gang, Poppy here. It's New Year's Eve.
He's recording. Sorry.
And some people just anyway, hey gang, it's New Year's Eve here at Poppy's living room. I still feel like shit. Actually, I'd have to make massive improvement to feel like shit.
What's your language?
So I've already had the energy to stagger out here, blop in my chair, and I was binging YouTube movies. What can you say about YouTube movies, right? I mean, the YouTube movies are just like the YouTube normal. I mean, they run from Poppy's workshop to, over here, to that lazy machinist, on a gradient. Well, the movies are just the same. I was watching one the other night. Beyond Sherwood Forest. Beautiful sound, cinematography fantastic, costumes, props. Although where the fire-breathing dragon that turned into a girl and back into a dragon and couldn't be killed, and what was it, that force field, and the guy on the other side would say, "No, you can't come through, dragon." Where did Robin Hood get a freaking dragon? That's a YouTube movie. Yeah. And then for some reason, someone wants to get paid to watch Red Dawn, 1984, Patrick Swayze. Doesn't everyone have it on DVD? Or downloaded from someplace like Let Me Watch This already? Anyway. It's cold. It's wet. Nasty out. New Year's Eve. Anyway, Happy New Year to all of you.